It starts as a whisper, a low, relentless sound that only a few can hear. Some describe it as a distant engine, others as a deep vibration inside their heads. It has driven people to madness, yet no one knows where it comes from. Scientists have searched for answers, but the mystery remains. This is the story of the Taos Hum, a sound that may never be explained. The Taos Hum is a mysterious low-frequency sound heard by residents of Taos, New Mexico since the 1990s. Not everyone hears it. Only 2% of the population seems to be affected. Some describe it as a distant diesel engine running, while others say it feels like a deep vibration inside their heads. And it's not just in Taos. Similar hums have been reported all over the world, but no one knows why. Experts have tried to record the hum using sensitive microphones, but nothing is detected. This means it's not a normal external sound, but something more mysterious. Theory number 1, industrial noise. Some believe the hum comes from distant factories, power lines, or underground gas pipelines. But why do only certain people hear it, while others hear nothing? Theory number 2, geological activity. Could it be the sound of Earth itself? Some researchers believe the hum is caused by tectonic movement, a natural vibration deep underground. But why does it affect some people while others remain unaffected? Theory number 3, a psychological illusion. Some experts claim the hum is inside people's heads, a condition called spontaneous otoacoustic emissions, where the ears create a sound without an external source. But why does it happen in specific locations like Taos? Theory number 4, military and government experiments. Some believe the Taos Hum is a secret military experiment involving low-frequency waves or mind control experiments. Could the government be testing underground bases, sonic weapons, or communication signals? Theory number 5, extraterrestrial or paranormal activity. Others claim the hum could be extraterrestrial in origin, a signal from another world. Could it be a message we haven't yet understood? The hum isn't just a mystery. It has ruined lives. Some residents suffer from insomnia, headaches, dizziness and anxiety. Others have been so disturbed by the hum that they moved away from Taos completely. Some call it a curse. Some call it torture. But the hum never stops. Despite decades of research, no clear cause has been identified. Investigators continue to study the phenomenon, but the sound remains a mystery. Could the answer lie in technology we don't yet understand? Or is it something we're not meant to hear? The Taos Hum remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries of our time. No one knows what causes it, and maybe we never will. But if you ever find yourself alone in Taos in the middle of the night, listen carefully. You might hear it too. What do you think? Is the Taos Hum a natural phenomenon or something far more mysterious? Let us know your theories in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more unsolved mysteries from around the world.